Metra Aaron here. We're going to be talking about our BC-9719 battery harness. What this guy is going to let you do is tap into battery power without clustering up on top of your battery terminals. This installation does take place underneath your seat. One bolt, slide it forward, pull it off, and what we're going to do is reposition the camera. It's going to allow you to see the installation of this piece, and we're going to have a quick little demo on top of it with our digital multimeter. This is the factory harness you're looking for. Sometimes there will be something attached to that. That is why this piece has 3 ends on it. But all we need to do, plug that right in. If there was something else, you could attach it to either one of these, whichever is more convenient. We give you 2 leads. Again, this is for anything that needs battery power. All right, so we have our meter set up and it's just reading millivolts. Plug that in. You're gonna see we got 13 strong volts coming off of this battery. So again, this is giving you ends that you can just simply crimp onto. These are heat shrink, so you can seal them up for some water protection. And that's a 12-volt battery tap for your 96 to 13 Harley-Davidson touring bike.